The news in detail. Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting informed that the Union Cabinet has decided to provide booster doses free of cost to all above 18 years of age starting from July 15th. The drive will be for 75 days and will be in commemoration of 75 years of Indian independence. After months of reporting few daily cases, COVID-19 cases have begun to rise again in recent weeks in the country, though the coverage of both doses of the vaccination has increased considerably. The booster dose take-up has been slow.
Out of 199 crore vaccine administered as of today, the number which are above 18 years of age stands at 181 crore plus. That is the vaccine administered as of now. So it's going to be a large population which will be given booster dose free of cost from 15 July onwards for a period of 75 days. So anyone who gets the vaccine, the booster dose vaccine, in those 75 days won't have to pay even a single rupee on that.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma attended a high-level meeting